The mail truck is full.
I want to help deliver the packages. Delivery Daniel is ready to make some speedy deliveries.
Let's go. Oh
no! My wagon!
Uh-oh. It looks like we have a broken wagon over here.
Can you fix it, Mom?
I think I can, my tiger. But I'm in the middle of something important right now. You'll have to wait until I'm done.
We can't make our deliveries without our wagon.
We need it to carry all of these packages.
Maybe you can find something else to make your deliveries.
But I don't have another wagon.
Aw, we can't play post office anymore, Hoo-hoo.
You might not have another wagon, but there are other things you could use to make your deliveries.
Really?
Like what?
Come with me.
Okay.
Woohoo!
You can still play post office and make your deliveries. Look around and see what you can use. You two have good ideas. I'm sure you'll think of something tiger-tastic.
Thanks, Mom.
Look around and see what you can use.
What can we use for a wagon?
Ooh, woohoo! Could this be our new mail truck?
Let's try it.
It's too heavy.
That stool doesn't look heavy. Can you be our new mail truck?
Woohoo! Let's see.
Oh no! They don't stay on.
It won't work.
We need to find something else.
Ooh, let's try this cardboard box. It's bigger, Hoo-hoo.
This box can move.
And our packages stay inside.
We found our new mail truck.
Nifty-galifty, now we can keep playing post office.
Let's fill up our truck
so we can make all our deliveries in time. There, our truck is full, Delivery Daniel.
Let's go.
Mail truck coming through.